solving a 3-digit long division problem. Let's say, for example, you're solving a situation like 576 divided by 4. First, copy your equation onto the grid paper. Second, look at your divisor. Use your divisor, come off to the side, and do some skip counting. Third, set up your division family. Once you have that all set up, now you're ready to begin solving. Underline the first digit of your dividend and Dad, divide. 5 divided by 4 is 1. That's Dad. Now Mom tells us to multiply. I'm going to multiply 1 times 4, which is 4. Sister comes along telling us to subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Cat asks us to compare. The 1 we got when we subtracted is less than our divisor of 4, so we know we divided correctly. Brother comes along, and Brother's only bringing down one thing at a time. The next thing that Brother brings down is the 7. He drops it on the floor, causing Rover to bark, and Rover tells us to repeat all of the steps again. So now we're back to dividing. This time we're dividing 17 divided by 4. Coming over to my multiples, the closest I can get to 17 without going over is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So that means Dad's going to put a 4 up on the roof. Dad divided. Now it's up to Mom. Mom multiplies the digit we just put on the roof times the divisor. So 4 times 4 is 16. Now we subtract. 17 minus 16 is 1. That's little sister. And Cat asks us to compare what we got when we subtracted is less than our divisor, so we know we divided correctly. Brother still has one more thing to bring all the way down the steps, which this time happens to be the 6. He drops it on the floor, causing Rover to bark, and Rover tells us we need to repeat one more time. So we're back to Dad divide. This time we're dividing 16 divided by 4. It works evenly this time. 16 divided by 4 is 4. That's Dad. Now Mom multiplies. We take the number Dad just put on the roof times the divisor. So 4 times 4 is 16. Little sister tells us to subtract. We get 0. There is nothing else for Brother to bring down, so he is heading to the sofa. So is Rover, because Rover doesn't bark anymore. We don't have to repeat. So now before we can get our Cheez-Its, our chocolate, or whatever it is, we need to check our work. We do not have a remainder this time, so our final quotient is 144. We take our quotient, we multiply it times our divisor. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. This number matches our dividend, meaning our work is correct.